4 different lies here. None of them are ideal because we talked about the ideal lie earlier there. So the first one here, it's just got a little clump of sand right behind it. Not really sure what to do with it here. The thing is, what options do we have? If you need to hit the big high shot, you might have to give that up. So with the little extra sand there, definitely going to need a little more club head speed to get through. Might need even a little bit of the leading edge to get a little bit underneath, but just a little bit. So I'm going to keep it open the way I would normally keep it open, but I'm going to lower my hand position. When I lower my hand position, I activate the leading edge or the corner of the wedge, and this will just allow this club to slide right through and pop that right up. So actually really was not that tricky a shot. It was just interpreting it how it would actually come out. So this one here, it's not a full fried egg, but it's definitely not in a great position either. So what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to open up the club face as much, just a tiny bit open, but I definitely have to go low hands. Low hands, again, like we talked about, is getting that edge of the club to come into the sand. If I can get that edge to come in there, it just digs it right out. Now I just have to judge how hard I'm going to hit this or how much swing. So again, just a touch open, lower the hands in. It's going to come out pretty fast, so I'm not going to hit it very hard. Yeah, it just came out a little faster than what I was thinking as well. Caught a little bit behind it, didn't quite get that leading edge in there, but actually not too bad a shot. I'd still have, inside 10 feet. This one here is kind of awkward. It's still a decent lie, but it's rolled in its depression as the ball came in there, so it's just sitting down ever so slightly. So again, making sure that we use a little bit of this leading edge. I don't have to go overboard. I can open the club this time. Before I couldn't open the club. Hands go low here. Open the club, and it's going to come out with a little bit more topspin. But pretty good little shot there. Oh, now we got the fried eggs. A couple of ways that we can play it. Obviously, a lot of people like to play with a closed club face. So by closing the club face, it basically acts like a shovel. Now, I don't mind that one, but I think when you close the club face, it's just going to have too much topspin. It's just going to get away from me here. So I'm actually going to use the leading edge of the club. I'm going to put the hands lower. I'm going to make a big swing, and I'm going to stop right after impact. That should take away some of the energy so the ball doesn't go out too far. So let's try it. So club's just a tiny bit open. Hands are real low. Leading edge is basically edge of the ball. I'm going to make a big swing, and I'm going to stop after impact. Obviously has enough topspin to roll out, but still comes out beautifully every time. So there's definitely 4 different lies that need just the subtle variations, and learning how your wedge works is really going to make a big difference for you.